our best man and makeup honor to roll the streets as our way of wishing our couple to have a prosperous marriage. This is the most perfect time that you can share your gift of love by sharing your monetary gifts. So we have the envelopes and pins, yes, from Ma'am Debbie that they can distribute. Yan, as you give your cash and monetary gifts for the couple. Meanwhile, our best man Jerry and Annalyn will be holding the tips on the home screen. Once again, this is our way of wishing our couple to have a prosperous marriage. Masagalan po yung asawa. This one, once again, the singing master of ceremony. I'd like to give my special thanks to Ma'am Dada, Lausa Montemayor for inviting me today. So let's start. Most especially our principal sponsors. This is my rendition of Joy's favorite song, Ikaw at Ako by Johnny John.
Ako nasasalo.
Ikaw at ako.
Stress ka ba? Stress ka ba? Pag ako yung... Verb mo ako.
Please go ahead. For those who want to share your blessings, television will give Princess typing the official hashtags on social medias. Hashtag Mau Ilarden Singing MC, hashtag Mau Ilarden official Facebook page, Singing MC Mau Events. Once again, thank you so much to you, Ma'am Dada Lausa Montemayor, for inviting me today in behalf of Sir Dong. Go ahead, you want to share with the blessings. Ikaw at ako, pinatagpo, usapang ating puso ng kasundon sa mahabang buhay. Nagsumpaan sa may kapal, walang iwanan, naginig o tagulan. Haharapin bawat unos na pagdaan. Sana'y di magmaliwang at tingin, kay daling sabihin, kay hirap gawin, sa mundong walang katiyakan. Sabay natin gawin kahapon ang bukas. Once again, this is here the most perfect time for you to share your blessings in the form of cash or monetary gifts, our envelopes and clip, so you can get it from Ma'am Debbie. Special thanks, Ma'am Debbie. Ikaw at ako, pinag-isa, tayong dalawa may kanya-kanya sa isa't isa. Tayo ay sumasangga. Bawat hangad kayang abutin, sa pangambay and Ma'am Dada Lausa.